Hello, thank you very much for visiting my profile. I am Subtain Zahoor. I am a professional Unity game developer and team lead at SkyHisoft. Whether you are looking to develop a new game from scratch, improve an existing one, or you want to fix bugs and performance issues in your game, I'm here to help you. Let me tell you why I am the best fit for your project. I'm top rated developer on Upwork, ranked among 3% top game developers with over $100,000 in earning and over 60 plus successfully completed jobs. Client satisfaction is my number one priority, which is reflected on the numerous 5-star reviews which I received from the clients all over the world. When it comes to teamwork and collaboration, I am comfortable to work with project management tools such as Jira and Trello. I am also familiar with GitHub and Plastic SCM for version control. I have also had the opportunity to be interviewed by high profile organizations such as Mega Success Pakistan and Mir Shakib, who has over more than 3 million followers on Facebook. As a recognition of my hard work and performance, I have also received a very nice gift from Layers Technologies, a milestone which I am truly proud of. I would love to hear more about your project and most importantly, how I can help you. Here is a glimpse of my previous projects. If you are interested to check any project in detail, you can check the links in the description of this video.
Hey, welcome back. Wow, great job.
Lime. L.
They're trying to be. They're trying to be. She wanted me. This is a. They're trying to be. They're trying to be.
Feel free to contact me today so that we can schedule a quick introduction call and check how I can be a perfect fit for your project. Thanks again for watching and I look forward to connecting you.